Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. James Whitworth here, and today we're going to look at the Veho MR7.
Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle.
Now this is a retro wireless speaker. A very cool design indeed, with the brown strap at the top. Let's have a look at the specs. Apologies, my voice is all rubbish at the moment, I've got a cold. The MR7 wireless speaker from Veho features a high quality retro design, coupled with superior sound quality and an impressive 30-hour battery life from one charge. That is pretty cool. So we've got up to 30 hours continuous music playback. We have the Bluetooth 5.0 for better wireless reception and better sound quality. You can actually pair two of these together for true wireless stereo, and it has two 8-watt outputs for superior sound quality for its size. From the box, I can't really tell how big it's going to be. I'm guessing it's probably maybe about that big. Let's have a look in the box. A very nice packaging, just complimented you, open. There we go. So inside the box we have, come on, there we go. Anything else? Oh, we do have, come out. That was very dramatic. What is that? Blade of grass. The MR7 retro wireless speaker. One of these sort of fold out kind of thingamabobs. Hopefully it should be pretty self-explanatory on how to use it, but seems to be nicely laid out. 2 times 8-watt output. Total watts 2 times 5 watts. I'm not sure which is correct, but I'm guessing it's the lower number. Let's have a look at the retro speaker itself. Okay, so in the package we also have an aux cable, hooray! And a micro USB charging cable. Boo! We like USB-C. Get in there and think about what you've done. So there's a little bit of weight to this, but not too heavy. Feels like a good weight, like a little bit of quality. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that actually looks really nice. So we have the whole of the top going right to the bottom as well, of this lovely brushed metal. We have a cloth speaker grille with the Veho branding. The speaker is kind of elevated. I'm not sure if that's for aesthetics. From what I can tell, I think it has like a base radiator on the bottom, so it allows it a bit of space to move. And at the top we have mode, a really nice leather strap, so you can have it completely flat, and when you're lifting it up, easy to carry around. I wasn't expecting this to be metal. I'm really surprised. That has a lot of metal, because this isn't a most expensive speaker. If you have a look at the TechBaffle links in the description, you can see how much it costs. Does that have any juice? Nice little tone, and we have an LED indicator. So let's go ahead and play some songs. I'm interested to see what this will sound like, because it feels really nice quality, it looks amazing. But does it sound any good? Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to hear the binaural sound test. You don't want to miss out on that. To test out the speaker, I'm using the TechBaffle Sound Test. Links in the description. We actually need to pair it up first. Duh. So what's it called? A Veho MR7. Yeah. Yep. Do. No voice on this one. It doesn't tell you connected. It's just a little beep. Okay, let's go ahead and play some music. But like I said, this is just to see if it works. The full sound test will be at the end of this video. Whoa, that's loud. Why is the volume not... Okay, I don't know what was going on. It's probably my phone being dumb, but the volume is now being adjusted. Oh wow. Good, nice bit of bass on it actually. You really notice it when you put it on the table. Oh wow, you can really hear the bass on that. They're very compact. Here's a Coke can for comparison. They're a very small speaker. There's a really nice deep sound to it though. Quite clear as well. And it's stereo as well, you've got left and right drivers. And the bass radio beneath. Wow, I'm actually quite surprised. I was expecting this to sound okay, but this actually sounds really good. I'm actually quite surprised.
James, please Please stop.
Okay, I'll stop the embarrassing dancing, don't worry. The only thing I would say, if I had to have come up with a negative, you wouldn't want to take this outside too much, because I think with the brushed metal effect, I think this is a much nicer thing to have maybe indoors, like on a cabinet, on your worktop. A shame it's not USB-C, but we do have the line in as well, so if you want to connect it directly to your music player, CD player, whatever you want. So you do have other features as well. You've got the microphone, you can answer phone calls with it. So the feet on the bottom are really nice features to grip it to the surface. So it grips it to the surface and stops it from any vibration noises. One thing I would say is that the box makes it look massive. If you saw this in the shop, it's quite a lot smaller than it is on the box.
Now for the binaural sound test. Here, no, I'm over here, using my recording ears. Wear headphones for the best experience.
I'm like, if you broke, just say that. Ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. No, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate. But you should know that we don't play that. So nah, I can't debate.
Now for the TechBaffle Sound Battle. I put it against the JBL Flip 3, which I could probably do with upgrading, but it's a good comparison. Are you ready? Let's go. Who won the Veho MR7 or the JBL Flip 3? Let me know in the comments. The MR7 from Veho is a Bluetooth speaker with oodles of retro charm. The curved brushed metal feels like audio gear from yesteryear with a chic leather effect handle. In terms of specs, it's more modern with Bluetooth 5.0 and true wireless stereo. The sound is rich with a decent amount of bass. Clarity could be a bit better, but as a whole it's easy to listen to. I had issues with the volume being laggy from time to time, and USB-C would be welcome, but overall it's a good all-rounder. I bought this for under £40 on Amazon, which if you appreciate good build quality makes this a great deal. Overall, the Veho MR7 gets a TechBaffle rating of 4 stars. You can buy this on Amazon. Check the TechBaffle links in the description.
Okay, the front camera's run out of SD card space, which means it's the end of the video. If you're interested in the Veho MR7 retro Bluetooth speaker, check the TechBaffle links in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on social media. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.